Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using only 10 products. So if you want to see this full face only using 10 products, then make sure you keep on watching. And before we get on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please press the subscribe button down below. And also, please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out this channel. It helps it out a lot. So let's just get into this full face. I'm going to start out with my eyebrows using my Holy Grail eyebrow pencil. This is the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. It's so affordable. At Ulta I get mine. And just to set all of that, I'm going to take the Got To Be Brow Gel. This is my go-to eyebrow gel. I use it every day and I am not going back to another eyebrow gel because I will continue to use this. I'm gonna take this concealer from Rare Beauty and it is in the shade 450 and it's a more skin tone like concealer. Actually, I can use it a little bit for dark spots. Use it just a very tad bit for dark spots. And I'm gonna use it to around my mouth for that darkness. I'm gonna use this sponge from e.l.f., this mint colored sponge. I actually really like it. I usually buy the pink one, but this one is actually really nice. I'm just gonna use that to blend that out. I went and damped my beauty blender just to help to blend out the product. I'm gonna actually like run it more like around the face just to give coverage where it's needed, because this can also act like a coverage product even though it's not going to be like full coverage like a foundation. I want a little bit more coverage, so I'm going to take this dry powder puff and blend it out. I'm going to take this Rare Beauty setting powder in medium deep to set my under eyes and the other areas where I applied the concealer. Because it is just like a more natural day, I usually typically go in with a lighter powder underneath my eyes, but because I'm not wearing foundation or anything like that, I'm going to use this more skin tone, close to my skin tone, like yellow-ish powder to set my under eyes, because if I were to use like a translucent powder, I feel like it would look so unnatural and it would look so bright, and I'm not going for a super bright look. We're gonna take this Fit Me powder from Maybelline and I'm going to use that as my all over face powder today. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. Did I prime my skin? Take my fluffy brush and I'm going to dip it in there to like add some coverage. Now this doesn't give like a full coverage. It's not like the Maybelline that hybrid powder. I have a video on that, trying that out. It's really good, but this is not going to give you like a full coverage. This is more so like I feel like a setting powder, but it does kind of help to it will help me a little bit to like even out my skin tone. So I'm just gonna apply this and brush it. I actually like the way it's looking. It's looking very matte and it's looking pretty like good with coverage, like for an everyday basis, you know what I mean? This is actually pretty good coverage. I didn't think it was gonna give me this type of coverage, but it's giving me coverage, but not like, you know, not like foundation type of coverage, but it's still giving me like pretty good coverage like for a powder, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna add some dimension to my face. So I'm gonna take my favorite ever bronzer, the Benefit Hoola Toasted Bronzer. I love this stuff. I'm gonna bronze my eyes. I'm just gonna bronze my face. I'm actually gonna use this two ways. I'm gonna put some of this in my eyes to kind of create like a natural look, and I'm gonna put some of it on my face. If you are like my skin tone or around my skin tone, this is like the best bronzer ever. It is such a beautiful finish. Like, I love this bronzer. I love it. It just gives like such great dimension, and I like how it's not like red. Like a lot of companies tend to make bronzers for brown skin tone or darker skin tones, and they make them with this red undertone, but I like how this one is not red at all. It's perfect. I'm gonna just run this in my crease. You can use your products more than one way. Like, you don't have to just use bronzer on the face. You could use it on your eyes too as eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place Fun 5 blush, and I'm gonna actually take both of these colors just to add a little flush of color to the cheek. I'm gonna dip it lightly because these are really pigmented, like so pigmented. Do you see that? They're so pigmented, you guys, like so pigmented, and they're really, really affordable. I'm gonna go on top of it a little bit with that foundation powder because I don't want it to be that pigmented on the cheeks. Take some of this Charlotte Tilbury powder spray, and just blend everything together. Finish off the eyes and take that Benefit bronzer and smudge it on my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm going to take this Lancome Idole Lash Mascara. I really like this mascara. It's really good. And I'm just going to apply it. Like, my lashes literally look like falsies. I don't even need lashes. Like, you really don't need them like on an everyday basis because look at them. With just the mascara. You know what? I'm gonna add some concealer underneath my eyebrows because I just want to. I'm ready for the lips. I'm gonna take this MAC Chestnut lip liner. I've been in love with this lip liner ever since I got it. Why didn't I get this sooner? I love this. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna line my lips. I usually overline them a lot because I like to make the top bigger because my top lip is much smaller than my bottom lip. I was gonna go in with a lipstick, but I was like, okay, since we can only use 10 products, I'm just gonna go in with like a lip oil. And this is like one of my favorite lip oils. This is by Merit Beauty, and this is the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in Marrakech. I like the clear one too, but I want to add a little bit of color, so I'm just gonna go in with this oil on top of that lip liner. Guys, so that is it for this video. This is my full face using only 10 products. If you like to see more videos like this, like if you want to see one with like only 5 products, let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Simplykrystelle. Please subscribe if you are not already, if you like this video, and also please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.